Hello and hope you're doing well. Today we're going to look at this Artika Essence Bar, and as you can see from the picture, it has little bubbles throughout the bar and it looks pretty cool. It is 1700 lumens, so it's very bright, but it only uses 28 watts and it's a warm white color at 3000 temperature. It has a chrome around it and it is dimmable, which that's pretty cool if you want to either brighten the whole room or make it a little bit dimmer. And the height of the lamp is adjustable. Here we are. First things first, we have some instructions. It tells you what's included, what you'll need to install it. The height is adjustable. And it tells you how to adjust the height and also how to install it. It gives you also a phone number just in case you have any questions on how to install it. So that's a plus. Okay, so here we have some hardware so you can install it. And then you have this, which is the base. The base itself covers your junction box and it measures from side to side about 8.5, almost 9 inches. And then 4 3/4 wide. So as for the installation, all you have to do is take out all these screws that are on the side. It's 4 of them. So this will go into your junction box and it screws onto it with the screws that are provided in here with your kit. Once you screw those onto your junction box, then you'll also wire the lamp. And you also have the ground here. And as for the length of the lamp, you have plenty of wire here included, and I think it says down to 60 inches, so you have plenty of here. But if you are like me, that you don't have a very high ceilings, you want to make them shorter, and these two right here, the outer wires are the support and this is the power, and I like how they blend in. All three kind of look alike, so it blends in very nicely. Now to make it shorter, all you have to do is pull from the other side until you have them about the same length, and you can play around with it, making sure that you have the same length, and it doesn't go back unless you push this right here. Then you can make it longer again. It's easier to make it shorter or longer depending on how tall you like your light. But this is another chrome piece that goes in the middle. And here is the light. I like how well they packaged it. And the light itself, it's about 11 pounds, less than 12 pounds, the whole thing. I like the chrome finish, it looks very nice and clean. And the bubbles look very elegant once the light is on. And I don't know if you can see, but the LED lights are in there. There they are. So the lights are well hidden, so you won't see anything but the light coming through in a very nice and warm color. Very inviting, very relaxing. It reminds you of champagne, those little bubbles. So let's say you want to make it shorter. I made it short right here. Let's take this out. So right there I have it from the very bottom to the very top. It's about 20 inches. And you still have the nice design